Dear students, you have already learned achievement test and diagnostic test. Teachers tend to use tests that they have prepared themselves much more often than any other type of test. So each teacher must be competent enough in preparing tests to assess the progress of their students. Today in this video, we are going to see different types of test items that we often use while preparing tests and their advantages and disadvantages. A written test is composed of a number of test items, and these test items differ on the basis of the type of response they involve. Generally, three types of test items are used in test. They are objective type, short answer type and essay type.
Now let us see in detail about objective type test item. So the objective type test item is the one in which the response will be objective. In order to ensure objectivity, the responses are made fixed whereby the freedom of the respondent to deviate subjectivity is restricted. Here the respondent has limited freedom, therefore subjectivity, no scope for subjectivity. Each question has a definite response. The knowledge of large number of facts can be tested very easily by using this objective type of test item. Objective type test item may be classified into four. They are multiple choice test item, true or false test item, matching type test item and completion type test item. The first item is multiple choice questions. See, this is the most popular test item. Every multiple choice question has two parts. First one is the stem. It is an incomplete sentence or an interrogative sentence. The other is options or alternatives, usually 4 or 5. One must be the answer, one is the answer and others are called distractors. While seeing the distractors, the examinee should feel the challenge to find the correct answer. The other type is true or false test item. Here examinee will be given a statement. The statement may be either true or false. The student has to indicate whether it is true or false. The greatest drawback is that some guesses are sure to be correct. The chances are 50-50, right? Can be scored easily, can be constructed easily. They are suitable for lower classes where students have lower vocabulary. Another type is matching type test item. This is actually the modified version of multiple choice test item. A set of such problems are given against the answer with their order shuffled will be given as answer set. Students has to find out correct answer for each item. Question is known as the premises and answer set is known as the response. Another type is completion type test item. Here the examinee has to fill the missing part of the sentence, a series or a graphic pattern. By preparing this kind of test item, certain points we should keep in mind. Avoid ambiguous sentences, that is unclear sentences. Do not omit too many words. Omit only keywords or phrase rather than minor details. Now we are going to see the advantages of objective type test item. It can be scored objectively and easily. That's the most important advantage of objective type test item. That is objective in nature. The scoring will not vary from time to time and from examiner to examiner. And another advantage is scoring can be done even mechanically. It helps more coverage of curriculum material. A large amount of study material can be tested in a short period of time. It reduces the subjectivity element that we have already mentioned. It ensures greater reliability and content validity. Another one is it eliminates irrelevant factors like speed of writing, fluency of expression, etc. If carefully planned, it can measure the higher mental processes of understanding, application, analysis, prediction, and interpretation. And again, standardization is possible with objective type of test item. These are the advantages of objective type test item. Now we are going to see some of the disadvantages of objective type test item. They are difficult to construct. They are easy to score but difficult to construct. Preparing good items requires talent, imagination, and effort from the part of a teacher. They fail to develop reasoning power or critical thinking. There are chances for guess by examining. Another disadvantage is that there is no opportunity to organize material in an objective type test. And again, inefficiency in testing complicated skills. That is, certain complicated skills like judging, analyzing, reasoning. We cannot test these kind of skills using objective type test item. And again, not suitable for all topics. And problem of cheating is there. Another type is short answer type test item. We have already seen there are three types of test item: objective type, short answer type, and essay type. So here we are going to see short answer type test item. Short answer type test item aims to test knowledge by asking examinee to give some words, phrase, definition, or sentence as answer. This kind of answer diminishes subjectivity. Now we are going to see the advantages of short answer type test item. It is easy to construct them as they measure only simple learning outcome. Relatively large area of content can be covered. Again, they are useful to test the lowest level of cognitive taxonomy. It can make it objective by carefully fixing up the value points. If carefully prepared, deep level objectives like understanding, application, problem solving skills, etc. can be evaluated. It has some disadvantages also. They are not suitable for measuring complex learning outcome. They are not suitable for judging the analytical and reasoning power of students. Again, it is subjective as compared to objective type test item. It is subjective when compared to objective type test item. And again, mechanical scoring is not possible with short answer type test item. Another type of test is essay type test item. See, this is a traditional type of questions and free response test item. Here the examinee is free to give answer of a question as he likes. The examinee is allowed relative freedom in composing his response. The answer judges subjectively. So that essay type question is subjective in nature. This type of questions use specifications such as explain something, describe something, illustrate, compare, summarize, criticize, like that. Here is a list of advantages of essay type test item. It is easy to conduct and administer the test. It provokes thought and leads to higher mental process. They measure originality and initiative. It is useful in measuring various types of abilities and skills of students such as language competency, presentation and organization skills, handwriting, neatness, etc. And again, comprehension of subject matter as a whole is encouraged in essay type test item. And it has some disadvantages also. They are subjective in nature. High validity and reliability cannot be maintained in essay type test. Since the number of items is limited, it is difficult to cover all the portions. Again, students are encouraged to use ready-made answers instead of gaining knowledge. It emphasizes on memory and writing speed. These are the list of disadvantages of essay type test item.
Today we have seen different types of test items, and we have also seen every test item has its own merits and demerits. It is a skill of the teacher to have a better combination of all these type of questions. I hope all the points are clear for you. Thank you.